Hello friends, last time we saw a strategy in that we used only 3 indicators and we had changed all the setting of that indicators. If you haven't seen that video, you can go and watch that video. In that I have explained to you very well how to use that strategy, and today we are going to trade on the same strategy, but there is a strategy. Last time we had 30-second candle and took 1 minute trade, and this time we will do 15-second candle and going to take 30-second trade, and this strategy works very well even at this time frame. So let us now start the strategy. We are going to use 3 indicators in this strategy, and that is Keltner channel, stochastic oscillator and RSI. You only have to change the setting of one indicator in this strategy, and that is the Keltner channel. You have default setting of stochastic oscillator and RSI. The time frame of the candle is 15 seconds and we are going to take a trade of 30 seconds. So let us now take the trade and analyze why we took the trade. So here I will take a trade because the stochastic oscillator is in oversold condition. The RSI is also in oversold condition. Chart has touched the bottom of the Keltner channel and has come down significantly, and also on the chart you can see how much has come in the down, and there is a support here too. So I have taken a trade here. Very good confirmation here, so I am thinking take another trade here.
Let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight.
Same condition here too, just opposite position. Both the stochastic oscillator and the RSI are also in overbought condition, and the chart is moving down by touching the line above the Keltner channel. So I have taken a down trade.
Let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria right now. You look into my eyes and fell.
So here also I can take a trade because here sellers are looking more active than buyers. Like you can see here, a green candle was huge, but now it was a shadows. This means the probability of the chart going down is high, and stochastic and RSI are also telling the same.
We just got to keep it rolling. There's no time to be wasting. I'd just rather move it along. Couple feet but in different waters. I need space more than orders. I'd just rather move it along. I know how you're feeling.
Same condition here too. I don't think you need to explain further.
It gets confusing when you say you love me, when you say that we're just friends. You must be thinking this is just a game. I'm not interested to